Look what's back. I'm back again. I'm so happy to get this again. So welcome, my name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got an unboxing for you and a giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is the Celestial Thunder palette. I'll put a link for this in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that as well as my many other giveaways. We are unboxing the Macy's October box. I am so happy. They've been kind of, with everything that's been going on, kind of been shut down for a while. And now they are back. Yay! I have heard that it's a one brand takeover, which I haven't seen Macy's do that before. And so Macy's, it's $15 a month. There's usually a bag, plus either some sort of tool or some sort of other item. And then the rest are all makeup and skincare. So I am super excited. Let's find out what's in here. I'm so glad it's back. So we are going to be giving away one of the items in here. Don't know which one yet, but make sure, biggest rule is make sure that you're subscribed and watch this video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you will need to know. They're usually sample sizes, select sizes. Every once in a while they will throw in a full-size product item. Cute little, kind of almost like a patent leather bag. Perfect for brushes or maybe lip products. You know what this reminds me of? It'd be really cute for is like tampons or something like that. There is a card, and in the card there is a $5 off code that you can use in store or online in their beauty department. You guys, it's Joe Malone is the takeover for this month. It does also tell you a little bit about the products. So this first one is the Blackberry and Bay Cologne. Berries and woods combine to invoke the imaginary aroma of fresh hand-picked blackberries. Full size does retail for $142. Pro tip, spray it onto your pulse points to activate and amplify the scent. You do get the woods and the blackberry. I would definitely say this is a, for me, it would be like a December, January type of really deep fragrance. It's not one that I would wear every day. It would be like a special occasion in those winter, deep winter type months. I don't think I've ever gotten a candle from them before. This is the Nectarine Blossom and Honey Mini Candle, inspired by London's Covent Garden. This candle will fill your home with a scent of blooming flowers. Retails for $69. Pro tip, after lighting the first time, let the entire top layer of wax melt before extinguishing to help extend candle's longevity. I really like that. You can really smell the nectarine, which I love citrus scents, so love that. Here is the Wood Sage and Sea Salt Body Cream. Get soft, moisturized skin while being transformed to the coast. Thanks to this rich formula and energized scent, retails for $86. Pro tip, apply fresh out of the shower to seal in the maximum moisturizer. It has a really fresh scent to it. That feels really nice going into the skin. one of my favorite flowers is the Peony. This is the Peony and Blush Suede Cologne. Perfect balance of charming and flirty. This floral blend is classically feminine. Note of red apple and jasmine. Dial up the delectability. Retails for $142. Pro tip, make this scent your own by layering them. I do love that it's in this mini glass bottle. You get a lot more in this instead of this one here. Ooh, I do love that. I like that one a lot. And that one you could definitely wear as more, it's a lighter one, so you could definitely wear more as an everyday one. And then they also gave us the English Pear and Fresca cologne. It's channeling the essence of fall. This is the scent to wear when reminiscing about those cooler days. Amber and patchouli notes. Our relaxing edition retails for $142. I don't like that one. No. It does have a very fall scent to it, but I think it's the patchouli that I don't like. And then the final thing in here is the lime basil and mandarin body and hand wash. Who can't do enough hand washing this time of year? Or this, not even this time of year, this year. So this blend of notes is luxury brand signature scent. It's a modern must-have that also conditions and nourishes the skin. Pro tip, after using this, apply the scented cream for a more lasting fragrance. I don't want to unseal this, but I can smell that it has a nice refreshing scent to it. I want to do this one as our giveaway. I can't really ship perfumes because of the federal regulations and because they have alcohol in them and they can't be shipped via flight. So let's do this one as our giveaway for today. So the giveaways are really easy. Remember, you must like this video, watch it in its entirety, and know that secret word, which is boo, in honor of Halloween. A Google form in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name and what that secret word is. I do a random number generator to pick the winner. Let's have this giveaway go through November 3rd. November 3rd is a big date here in the United States. I don't care who you vote for. Actually, I'd rather you vote for one versus the other, but I'm not going to say who. What is really important is that you do go out and vote and make sure you do your civic duty. I've already gone ahead and mailed in my ballot, so I've already got it done, but I just encourage you guys to go and vote. On November 4th, I will put in the description box the person's first name and first initial of their last name of the winner. That's how I announce my winners here. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. YouTube's no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you, being a little ray of sunshine in this crazy, crazy world we got going on. I love brightening somebody's day. This is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, customs, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, I invite you to do so. In order to win, you must do that. You guys, I hope that you are having a beautiful day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate you checking them out. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.